Here's how you can get a discount on Hostinger in March 2025. If you're looking to save big on web hosting this month, you're in luck. Hostinger is offering exclusive discounts on its hosting plans, which makes it a perfect time to launch your website or upgrade your current hosting at a fraction of the price. Some of the plans include unlimited websites, daily backups, a free domain, 4 times the performance for as low as $2.95 per month. But these deals will not last forever, so let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how you can claim the discount before it's gone. So first off, if you're not super familiar with Hostinger, Hostinger is a top-rated web hosting provider known for its affordable plans, high performance, and amazing customer support. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, Hostinger offers hosting solutions tailored to your needs, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting. With a reputation for reliability and speed, it's no wonder millions of users trust Hostinger for their website. To get the discount, what you're going to want to do is click our exclusive link in the description and you will get brought to this page. And as you scroll down, there are a couple different options here. So starting off with the premium plan, this starts at just $2.99 a month plus 3 months free, and you can save that 75% off. With this, you get 100 websites, managed hosting for WordPress, 25,000 visits monthly, 100 gigabytes of storage, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, weekly backups, and so much more. There are so many great features even on just the premium plan. Next is the business plan, and you can save 71% on this plan, which brings it to $3.99 per month plus 3 months free. With this plan, you get 100 websites, and then you get everything that's included in the premium plan, but just more of certain things. So 100,000 visits monthly, 600,000 files and directories, 200 gigabytes of storage. But you also get the free CDN with this as well as the WordPress AI tools and WordPress staging tool. Next is the cloud startup, and with this plan, you can save 71% off, and that brings it to $7.99 per month plus 3 months free. With this plan, you get everything included in the business plan, but you get 300 websites, more visits monthly, more files and directories, and what's also included is the dedicated IP address and priority support. So definitely make sure you find a plan that best fits your needs. And they also do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means it's completely risk-free to you. But to get an even more of a discount, we will go ahead and select the plan. We'll stick with the 48 months because that's how you can get the best price possible. And we will add code my first website. And here you can see it's applied. We'll go ahead and click continue. And this is where you will register, sign up, and set up an email and add your payment information. So again, make sure you secure that limited time offer now. And don't forget to use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout for even more of a savings, and use our exclusive link in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This just helps us continue to create high quality content. So if you do choose to use our links, thank you so much in advance for your support. That wraps up this video, and I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.